Well, the Economusée, the concept of it, we already had going here to a certain extent. So it was already fitting with what our values, what our core values are, per se. So it was a very natural progression for us. And it also gave us the opportunity to really step it up a notch and to polish it off so that we could really get that message out there to people.
I think the process of becoming an Economusée actually started with the previous owner, Jacinthe Degas, who was interested in bringing it to BC and became familiar with it. So I was sort of handed the opportunity and, you know, after consideration felt that it was a good fit with what my intentions were with the farm. And I think for me it was about educating people.
Because it's a network and they are advertising and they're marketing, we're also tying and buying into that. So we become, again, that bigger piece that is letting more people, reaching more people, a much bigger reach and a different reach than we might have otherwise done.
The Economusée has helped us to sort through a lot of information because there's so much that we do here. But to sort through that with an eye towards who are the people that are going to come here to help us focus on things that will be of interest to them.
Just the beauty of working with others, it's so important to have that critical mass. And when you bring, although there have been, of course, lots of people out there doing these traditional crafts, when you let your consumer or let people know that this is something that they can do and it brings it together for them in a very nice package, then that's brilliant. Then you've really got some preservation.